what's going on? Today we are going to do the first chapter of Genesis, but in Minecraft.
In the beginning, God created the earth and the sky. The earth was empty and had no form. Darkness covered the ocean, and then God's Spirit was moving over the water. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God saw that the light was good, so he divided light from the darkness. God named the light day and the darkness night. Evening passed, the morning came, and this was the first day. Then God said, "Let there be something to divide the water in two." So God made the air and placed some water above the air and some below it. God named the air sky. Evening passed and morning came. This was the second day. Then God said, "Let the water under the sky be gathered together so dry land will appear." And it happened. God named the dry land earth, and the water that was gathered together seas. God saw that this was good. Then God said, "Let the earth produce plants, some to make grain for seeds, others to produce more of its own kind of plant." And it happened. The earth produced plants with seeds in them. Each seed grew its own kind of plant. God saw that all this was good. Evening passed, the morning came. This was the third day. Then God said, "Let there be lights in the sky to separate day from night." So God made two large lights. He made the brighter light to rule the day and made the smaller light to rule the night. He also made stars. Then God said, "Let the water be filled with living things, and let birds fly in the air above the earth." So God created large sea animals and everything living that moves in the sea. The sea is filled with these living things, with each one producing more of its own kind. He made birds that fly, and each bird produced more of its own kind. God saw that all this was good. God blessed them and said, "Have many young ones so that you may grow in number." Then God said, "Let the earth be filled with animals, each producing more of its own kind. Let there be tame animals and small crawling animals and wild animals, and let each produce more of its own kind." And it happened. Then God said, "Let us make human beings in our image and likeness, and let them rule over the fish in the sea and the birds in the sky, over tame animals over all of the earth, and over small crawling animals on the earth." God looked at everything he had made, and it was very good. Evening passed and morning came, and this was the sixth day.
If you like this video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time on Home Church.